Meaning of Fingal's Cave.
Fingal's Cave.
Fingal's Cave.
Fingal's Cave.
Fingal's Cave. Fingal's Cave is a sea cave located on the uninhabited island of Staffa in Scotland. The cave is famous for its unique hexagonal basalt columns and the eerie sound made by the waves crashing against the cave walls. It was named after the hero Fingal in an epic poem by Scottish poet James Macpherson. The cave has inspired numerous artists and musicians, including composer Felix Mendelssohn, who wrote an overture inspired by the cave's sound. Today, Fingal's Cave is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world.